Hi, hello students. In this video, I'm going to discuss about refraction of light. Okay, see the process of changing speed at an interface when light travels from one medium to another, resulting in a change in direction is refraction of light. Refraction of light can also say like bending of light also. So we can tell bending of light also is called the refraction. And here the process of refraction involves bending of light ray except when it is incident normally. Before going to the explanation, here we should know about the two words. One is the interface and second one is the medium. What is the medium? I will explain the general example. See here, switch and fan is there. If you want to switch on, the fan will be rotates. So see here, when we switch on, the current is passing through the wire and finally reaches to fan and then it will be rotates. Here the wire is acts as a medium between the switch and fan. See naturally how like it will be happen. See once daily the light is coming from the sun, right? This is the natural example we can see. Now the light is coming from the sun and it is reaches to the earth, the person who is standing on the earth. So see how like it will be transferred between the sun to the person. Yes, like this it will be reaches to the person. So here the light is travel through something, that is nothing but here air will be, because of we are having the atmosphere around the earth. So here air is a medium between the sun and earth. In middle vacuum also is there, that later we can discuss. So see here, mediums are the two types in physics in this topic. One is the rarer medium and second one is the denser medium. What is the rarer and what is the denser, let we see now. For an example, the speed of light in air is 2,99,000 kilometer per second, and also the speed of the light in water. So in water also the light will be travel, no? So 2,25,000 kilometers, and the next one in the glass 2 lakhs kilometer per second. See the values here, air is 2,29,000 and water is 2,25,000 and glass is 2 lakh. Now I am comparing air and water. Air is a medium and water is a medium. Air is, I said, the rarer medium. Why it is called the rarer medium? Because of in which medium the speed of the light is more, that medium is called as rarer medium. In which medium the speed of the light is less, that medium we can call the denser. Water and the glass values, water having the speed is more, that we can call the rarer medium, and the glass is the denser medium. So we will discuss that interface in that. What is the interface means? The separation of two media is called interface. Now we will see the light travels from one medium to another medium. See here, this is the glass slab. This is the glass and above medium is air medium. Now the light is travels from air medium to glass medium. Okay, here the speed of the light in air is 2,99,000 kilometers per second and the speed of the light in glass is 2 lakh kilometer per second. Now see the values here. So the speed of the light is more in air, so we can call that is the rarer medium, and the glass is considered as the denser medium. Depending on the speeds only we are telling here. And here we can represent the ray diagram when the light is traveled from air to glass. So see, this is the incident ray direction and give the arrow mark. That arrow indicates the direction of that light. This is called incident ray. Now the light is coming from air and enter into the glass. So now we can draw that ray diagram inside the glass. So already we saw in previous video how like the pencil is appears bending, right? Yes, the pencil appears in the glass of water is like a bending. Same here also, when the light travels from air to glass, it appears like bending. Now at where it is the intersecting point, we have to draw the normal. See here, light travels from air to glass. The refracted ray bends towards the normal. Now I will give the arrow mark here, and after I will mention the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Incident angle and refracted angle. Now we can measure the angle of incidence and angle of refraction. The angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction when the light travels from rarer to denser medium. So see once from rarer to denser medium how the refracted ray bends towards the normal. So by this ray diagram we conclude that when the light ray travels from rarer to denser, the refracted ray bends towards the normal. And next very important point, that is angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction. So here these 2 points are very important. Angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Next we can go to that from denser to rarer medium. The light travels from denser to rarer. Again here glass slab is there, and now the light is coming from glass to air. Already you know glass is the denser medium and air is a rarer medium. Okay, now so now the light ray is traveled from denser to rarer. This is the incident ray which is in glass, and next it is coming to that air medium. So air is a rarer because of it is having the more speed of light. So see at the point of intersection we have to draw the normal, and this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction. Once compare these two, angle of incidence is less than the angle of refraction. Once observe that, compare this diagram and before diagram. Here the light is from air to glass. The refracted ray away from the normal. Previously what will happen, from rarer to denser bends towards the normal, but now it is away from the normal, and angle of incident is less than the angle of refraction when it is comes from denser to rarer. In this picture we can see both rarer to denser and denser to rarer, and see this is also. In the next video I will explain the refraction through glass slab. So don't miss it. Thank you.